If you've ever wanted to turn a video into an audio file in CapCut, this tutorial is going to make it super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to convert video to audio in CapCut step by step so you can save your audio as an MP3, WAV, AAC, or FLAC file without any confusion. This is perfect if you want to extract voiceovers, music, podcast audio, or sound from a video clip and use it somewhere else. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once the app is open, you'll want to import the video file that contains the audio you want to save. To do that, look to the top left area of the media panel and click Import. This will open your files, so browse to the video on your computer, select it, and bring it into CapCut. After the video is imported, the next step is to place it into the timeline. Simply drag the video down from the media panel and drop it into the editing timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is an important step because CapCut needs the video in the timeline before you can export the audio properly. Once it's in place, you're ready to move on to the export settings. Now go to the top right corner of the screen and click Export. This is where you'll tell CapCut exactly what you want to save. Since your goal is to convert the video into audio only, you need to disable the video export option. Find the video exporting setting and uncheck it. This removes the video track from the final file so only the audio remains. Next, check the audio exporting option. When you enable this, CapCut will reveal the audio settings, which is exactly what you need. This is the part that turns your video file into a clean audio export. Once the audio section is visible, look for the Format drop-down menu. Click the Format menu and choose the audio file type you want. CapCut usually gives you options like MP3, WAV, AAC, or FLAC. If you want a smaller file that's easy to share, MP3 is usually the best choice. If you want higher quality, you might prefer WAV or FLAC. AAC is also a solid option depending on your workflow. Choose the format that fits your needs best. After that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Pick a destination folder that's easy to remember so you can find the audio quickly after the export is finished. This is especially helpful if you're converting a lot of videos and want to keep your files organized. Once everything looks correct, go down to the export button at the bottom and click it. CapCut will now process the file and convert your video into an audio-only file based on the settings you selected. Depending on the length of the video and your computer's speed, this may take a few moments. When the export is done, go to the folder you selected and check your new audio file. You should now have the converted version saved and ready to use in another project, upload, or editing app. And that's it. You've just learned how to convert video to audio in CapCut. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.